Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric herb combined with honey. I'm interested in sharing this video with you because I think this is a good idea to let you guys know about this powerful home remedy, especially to those who have a stomach problem. This method has been known and inherited since many years ago by our ancestors. So I'm Degmlas. I'm gonna show you how to make it right after this. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and leave me a comment or like if you enjoyed the video. So let's get started. Here I prepare all the utensils and ingredients needed. I got a turmeric, lemon, honey. So it's now a few drops, just a few drops left because I consume it almost every day. I got this from a man that used to collect them in white somewhere in the forest. So this is 100% pure honey. And I got one chicken egg. Later I will let you know about what I'm going to do with this egg, so stay tuned. So the first step that we're going to do is let's grating the turmeric. We grate the turmeric to gain the pure extract of it. So let's grate the turmeric. After done, let's squeeze it and pour into the glass. After that, let's strain and gain the pure extract of the turmeric. Okay, after finish, we got the extract of the turmeric. Then we combine it with honey. This is 100% pure honey. I bought it from a man that used to collect them in white somewhere in the forest. We put about 3 spoons of honey. Okay, then stir it, and then we add some lemon into it. Okay, and stir it again, and then we add chicken yolk. This chicken yolk is basically to gain more stamina, especially for you guys who just got married. It is a good idea to add this chicken yolk in this herb. Okay, and then the turmeric herb combined with honey is ready to drink. So let's enjoy. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment. So See you again in the next video. Thank you very much.